Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we're going to start by taking off this intake manifold and one of these valve covers and see if we can figure out what length push rods we need. When I look it up online for early 90s 351 Windsor out of a truck or van, I see a couple of different lengths listed, and I either didn't think to keep the rich stock push rods to use as a check, or I just can't find them. It was years ago that I started messing with this motor, so that's not a surprise. So we're going to start there. We'll try to figure out the push rod length we need, and then the headers that I ordered to try get some shorty headers in here should be here later today, so we will be able to check to see if those are going to fit as well. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, well, we had a more successful week this week than last week. We have headers on the car. See if we can see the other side there. The headers are clearing. They're just a set of Hedman Shorty headers that are meant for a Fox body. In hindsight, I should have probably looked for a header that had a more universal collector flange on it, because I'm going to have to modify that. This is meant to go with like factory Fox body exhaust, and it is going to kill power because the output's like 2 inches. It's a 3-inch pipe. They call it a 3-inch collector, but the ball and socket makes it really small. We also figured out what length push rods we need. So I saw a video of a guy using a oil can like this. This is just a cheap Harbor Freight oil can. It pumps oil out of it to prime up the lifters. I was having problems where the lifters were not primed up enough and they were just sinking down really bad, and I wasn't going to be able to get an accurate measurement for push rods. So doing that helped out a ton. I would highly recommend it. I'll show more of that process when we get the push rods in and we're actually setting all the lifters in here, because I'll pump them all up to set valve lash, initial valve lash. So anyway, great progress this week, and we've got some stuff on order that should help us keep pushing forward next week. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.